So yesterday, while checking out my plants, I found out that I have these tomato sprouts coming up here. Tomatoes that fell inside this bed last year. I never picked them out. And now they're sprouting. The seeds from those tomatoes are sprouting up. I know they're tomatoes because they have little fine hairs. See if I can capture that right there on the stem. It's fuzzy. You see that the fuzziness on the stem? That's how I know that these are tomato sprouts, okay? Let me see if I can get my camera to refocus. Okay, and over here in this bed, there are also some sprouts, right? There's a tomato. I see the little hairs. But there's one in here that does not have hairs. It's not a fuzzy stem. Let's see if I can get it. And it's this one. It's no fuzziness. And I think that's a tomato. I'm sorry, a pepper. I think that's the pepper plant. I'm hoping it's a pepper plant. Probably a bell pepper. Could be a hot pepper. I don't know. But I'm excited. It's the only pepper plant I see that is sprouting up in these beds. And that pepper sprout is over here with the collards. So I'm excited. That's really good. Um, I love it when nature does the work for me. When I come out here in the spring and things are sprouting, things are growing that I did not plant. Um, so I'm keeping my hopes up that that pepper plant puts on its true leaves. I'm probably gonna cut a plastic water bottle just to put over top of it, push that down in the dirt a little bit to protect it and create a little more heat. Even though it's so hot out here today, it probably doesn't need that right now, but maybe later in the evening, when the sun goes down and it cools off in the evening, that little greenhouse effect will help, and it will also protect that seedling. And I'll probably do it for a few of the tomatoes. I don't know. It's so many tomato seeds out here. I really don't need to do that. So that's my surprise for today, you guys. I hope you're having a great day Saturday at home with your families. We're all quarantined, I guess you can call it, or a little, shut in for now. So I hope you're having fun, loving up on your family. I am. I had a great week this week with my babies, homeschooling them. We had a great time. It gave me an opportunity to work one-on-one with each kid on their schoolwork, which they don't get at school because you have a classroom full of kids. And I was able to see who needed help where. Um, so that I love that. I love that I was able to do that with them this week, and I'm looking forward to next week. And I wouldn't mind if they have us homeschool for the rest of the school year. To be honest with you, I am the first teacher. I make sure they're all reading before they go to kindergarten, and I love teaching my kids. I love having that being a part of their education and a part of their learning. I partner with the schools and the school teachers, and I let them know I'm the teacher, and they're just there to assist me. But I love their teachers, and they do a great job. My mom is a school teacher. She's been teaching for over 30 years. My stepdad who passed away, he was still teaching. And my grandmother, oh my God, she put about 40, 50 years in mommy day school system. She had to be forced to retire. She loved her babies. So I hope you guys are enjoying your babies this week. I'm enjoying my babies this week. All right, enjoy your families. Be safe. Happy gardening.